If you're young, ambitious, and honestly tired of being lied to about money, then this video is for you. Here's the uncomfortable truth most people don't want to admit. Society wants you to accept an average life, an average job, an average income, and if you're lucky, maybe one vacation a year. And the moment you say, "I want more than that," they shame you for it. They label you greedy, unrealistic, selfish. But let me be very clear. What's actually greedy is a system designed to keep you stuck at the bottom, while a small group at the top enjoys complete freedom. I always knew I didn't want a normal life. I knew from a young age that I wanted to become rich. So in my early 20s, I quit my job, and within a few years, I became a multimillionaire. That's not a flex, it's context, because it means I understand, from real experience, what it actually takes to build wealth, and more importantly, how to keep growing it over time. And today, I'm breaking down my 5-stage process to getting rich while you're still young. No hype, no shortcuts, just the truth. Let's get into it. Stage 1. Drifting. Most young people ask the same question. What's the fastest way to get rich? Is it dropshipping, crypto, day trading, YouTube? And that's exactly the problem. Everyone is shouting a different answer at you. And instead of choosing one path, you freeze. You're scared of picking the wrong thing. But here's the reality. Life isn't like school. There isn't just one correct answer. There are many right paths. But when you don't choose, life chooses for you. And when that happens, the system will happily keep you broke. This is what I call drifting. Drifters float through life. They react instead of deciding. They move from job to job, side hustle to side hustle, hoping something magically works out. There's a famous quote that says, "If you're not building your own dream, someone else will hire you to build theirs." And that's exactly what drifting looks like. Nobody wakes up thinking, "How can I make you rich?" The only person who will ever put your success first is you. So be honest with yourself. Are you drifting? I meet so many young people who say they want to be rich, but their actions don't match their words. They hide behind phrases like, "Money doesn't make you happy." That's a lie. Money equals freedom, and freedom absolutely contributes to happiness. There's no shame in wanting that. Drifters don't build serious wealth. They might get lucky. They might win something, but they never create wealth on their own terms. So how do you escape drifting? Stage 2. Obsession. Your life can change in a single decision. One moment, one choice. The decision to stop letting life push you around and instead become obsessed with one thing. Building wealth. That's why stage 2 is called obsession. Now, the results won't appear overnight. It might take months, even years. But that one decision puts your life on a completely new trajectory. And if the idea of obsessing over